Standard 10th Geography Chapter 1 Field Visit. First question, outline the importance of field visit. Answer, the importance of field visit can be outlined with the help of the following points. First point, field visit helps in understanding various geographical concepts, elements, and process through direct personal experiences. Second point, it helps in understanding the correlation between humans and environment. Third point, it helps in enhancing the understanding and sensitivity about the historical, economic, social, and cultural facts about the selected field. Fourth point, it makes the study of geography more interesting and supports the application of knowledge. Second question, what items will you take with you for field visit? Answer, we will take the following items with us for field visit. First point, notebook, pen, pencil, scale, camera, etc. to collect information. Second point, compass for making direction and maps for understanding various locations. Third point, questionnaire as per the purpose of field visit. Fourth point, containers or bags for collecting samples of water, soil or rocks or plants or crops, etc. Fifth point, also carry a bottle of drinking water, first aid box, etc. Third question, how will you manage the litter during field visit? Answer, we will manage the litter during field visit or in the following ways. First point, carrying containers or bags or dustbins to collect litter dumped on a field. Second point, informing everyone not to dump litter or waste on a field during field visit. Third point, creating awareness about cleanliness using charts and banners for performing street play, etc. Fourth point, informing and requesting officials of local corporations for taking immediate remedial actions against litter, waste dumped on the field. Fourth question, prepare a questionnaire for a field visit to a factory. First answer, the questionnaire for a field visit to a factory is as follows. First point, which year this factory was established? Second question, which goods are manufactured in this factory? Third question, how many workers are working in this factory? Fourth point, which raw material is essential for the goods manufactured in this factory? Fifth point, from where is the raw material required for manufacturing the goods purchased? Sixth point, where are the goods manufactured supplied? Seventh point, which precautionary measures are taken to ensure the safety of workers? Eighth question, which environment protecting measures are taken by this factory? Make a report on your field visit. Students are expected to prepare a report using the following points. First, you must choose particular place for field visit. Contents are first one, introduction. Include these points. What is field visit, importance, and how the field visit is help us to study geography. Second point, location and route map. Third point, natural features. Means write about the physical features of that place. Fifth point, climate. Write about information about the climate in the region. Sixth point, flora and fauna. Means the plants and animals found in that region can be mentioned. Seventh point, human settlement. Means mention about the population in that region. types of houses, types of settlement, etc. Before you write the report, choose where you have visited a place. Thank you. Please watch and subscribe.